If you've been wondering if CBD oil will help get rid of your vertigo, today's video is going to dive into it. Hey, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years so that you could lead an amazing, fantastic life without drugs and surgery. This is actually a question that I got from a number of our video watchers, so thank you all for watching. And when you have a question, write them down in the comments. I typically try to get to them as quickly as I can so that you can get the information you need. Now, CBD oil is something that's really become popular over the last, I'd say about 5 years here in the United States. And what's really powerful about it is it does have some properties to it that can help reduce systemic inflammation. So that's the inflammation throughout your entire body. It can really help with managing the crisis levels that your body is going through. So when I'm asked if CBD oil is good for you or can help with your vertigo, the answer is that it can. However, what it's going to do is just look to manage some of the symptoms. It's not going to take care of the cause of the problem. If you're looking to take care of the cause of the problem, I'm going to have you check out this video up here. It's where we go through the 4 most common triggers and causes that you've got to address if you're having problems with vertigo. If you're wanting a quick fix, we'll send you to a different video where we've helped people to remove the blockages. Or better yet, check down in the notes below. I've got my cheat sheet on the 5 steps you need to take to get out of the vertigo spins. If you've been wondering if CBD oil is the right thing to do, it may be able to help you temporarily, but what I find is you got to dig a little bit deeper. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.